All right, time for some Thursday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to begin in Frontenac with Maya Courtney celebrating number 14. Says, "We love you so much. Love Mom, Juju, Dylan, and Kate."
All right, in Pittsburgh, Beth Bowers is turning 47 years old this year. Happy birthday, Beth.
And we've got Ed Evans also in Frontenac celebrating birthday number 79 with love from Sharon, Mike, and Letha, Matt and Amy, Maggie, Cody, Zach, and Alex. A lot of birthday love for you, Ed. Happy birthday.
All right, and here's a big one this year for Rose Kern, who's turning 94 years old. Hope you have a wonderful birthday in Pittsburgh today, Rose.
And to the east in Jasper, we've got Lee Manley celebrating birthday number 95. Happy birthday, Lee.
And Chelsea Bradfield out in Altamont, Kansas. Birthday love coming from Ryan and the girls.
We've got Linda Garrison celebrating in Columbus. Happy birthday, Linda.
In Nevada, Missouri, Carrie Stark. Happy birthday to you.
We've also got Stephen McNamara in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. Stephen is one of the many friends of KOAM. Happy birthday.
All right, and it's a 32nd anniversary wish going out to Frank and Luella Trudell. Congratulations to the Trudells.
We've also got Hayden Wilson celebrating birthday number 21 in Weir.
And Lori Wilson is 48, also in Weir.
And last but certainly not least, Mike Riebel celebrating in Iola. Says, wishing you a very happy birthday from all of your family and friends. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. And of course, we'd love to celebrate these milestones with everyone in the 4 states. Tanya, how can they help us celebrate with them?
All they have to do is send in those birthdays to our birthday email. And don't forget the S on that, birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
All right, and don't forget, while you're at our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So all you need to do is head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. All right.